Hi, welcome back to Driven by the Lens. I'm Mrs. Driven by the Lens, and in today's video, we're going to be looking through and reading guest reviews for Maleme Mare Beachside Hotel, located on Crete in the town of Maleme, just outside Chania. All reviews are from the past year. Let's take a look at the hotel and see what guests have to say. A week ago, 5 out of 5. I stayed there during the Easter holiday. The food was delicious. I was pleasantly surprised by the friendliness of the staff, and the room was very clean. The sea is very close and very calming. The weather was mild and sunny, and Maleme is very beautiful. 5 months ago, 5 out of 5. Beautiful place, helpful people, great hotel, delicious food, very good drinks. A great place to organize a trip with friends, and Stavros will take care of all your needs. I will definitely come back to this place again. I recommend it to everyone. 5 months ago, 5 out of 5. From arrival to departure, the friendly staff was superb. Room spacious and comfortable, cleaning service was efficient, and Our Lady was lovely. Bar service was second to none. Didn't mind 10:30 closure of all-inclusive. Prices reasonable for drinks. Pool area, lovely, plenty of relaxing areas. Micro kitchen, garden was lovely, chef made good use of the herbs, etc. A little gem of a hotel. Stavros, you make the place special. Thank you, and the staff for a lovely week. 6 months ago, 5 out of 5. This place wins everything because of its service and atmosphere. Everyone is very open, friendly, and very nice. If I were to return to Crete, I would definitely choose Maleme Mare again. 6 months ago, 5 out of 5. The hotel was beautiful, clean, and well maintained. Lots of facilities. Staff was friendly, happy, and polite. Nothing was too much trouble for them. Food was tasty, plenty available, and no restrictions. We'll definitely return for another holiday. 6 months ago, 5 out of 5. We originally had another accommodation, but it didn't meet our expectations at all, which is why we were looking for another hotel, and luckily we found this beautiful hotel. We were shown several rooms and were even given the VIP apartment with a wonderful direct sea view. The host and all the employees were very warm, polite, and nice. You could feel the solidarity among the family-run hotel. Everything was clean, well-kept pool, an outdoor area, and the all-inclusive food and drink provision was also very good. We can highly recommend this hotel and will definitely come back. Keep it up and don't lose your joy and fun at work. See you next time. 6 months ago, 5 out of 5. This is a great hotel. Still currently here. The manager Stavros is a great guy, along with all his staff. Even being from Scotland, we were treated no different, no matter what other reviews say. We will be booking for next year also. 6 months ago, 5 out of 5. A wonderful week in a wonderful place, and above all, wonderful people, like Miss Olga. We thank her for her kindness, her smile, and her service. We will definitely come back. 6 months ago, 5 out of 5. We visited the hotel and had a blast. Miss Olga is amazing, and with an amazing smile and attitude. She made our stay way more pleasant. Sure, we'll be back. 6 months ago, 5 out of 5. Dear Maleme Mare team, we had a fantastic stay with you. We really liked the warm family atmosphere. You can tell you're putting your whole heart into it. Thank you for the wonderful time with you. 6 months ago, 5 out of 5. I was here on vacation. I had a wonderful vacation. It was very clean. Food was excellent. But what I still remember is the staff. Always friendly, always willing to help us to make the perfect stay. Stavros, Sasha, and Olga will always be remembered until next time we visit. 6 months ago, 5 out of 5. The perfect place to relax. After 2 weeks spent in Maleme Mare, I can safely say that I am delighted with this hotel. First of all, I would like to note that I have never encountered such cordiality of service and a positive atmosphere in a hotel. I had read positive opinions about Stavros and Sasha before. I can definitely confirm. Fantastic, smiling people. Stavros knows how to have fun and tries to make everyone feel good in the hotel. He is almost infectious with his smile and radiant positive energy. The entire staff deserves praise, especially the waiters, chefs, and bartenders. Everyone is smiling, chatting up guests, something extraordinary. The atmosphere is always created by the people. This team is simply great at it. The food in the hotel is delicious and varied. There are 2 swimming pools, there is no problem with sunbeds, everyone will find something for themselves. And an additional advantage is the distance from the sea. All you have to do is cross to the other side of a very quiet street. Another advantage of the hotel is the beautiful garden. Colorful flowers and soothing greenery only help to relax here. As in all of Greece, there are many feline friends here. It is worth stocking up on dry food. The cats will reward you with purring and cuddles. They are extremely charming. On Monday evenings, there is a Greek night, on Wednesday evenings karaoke, and on Saturday evenings concerts. It is hard to get bored at this hotel, and the guests integrate quickly, which is facilitated by the intimate atmosphere. To the Cinca market, about 5 to 7 minutes on foot, as well as to the bus stop, from which buses to Chania run every 20 to 30 minutes. It is worth going on such a trip. I also recommend renting a car and exploring Crete on your own. The island is beautiful. To sum up, I heartily recommend the Maleme Mare Hotel and thank all the staff for such a fantastic time. You are doing a great job here. 6 months ago, 3 out of 5. Cozy, quiet location, some noise in the evening, nice pool area. On the beach, there are too few sunbeds and some are worn. The room, and especially the bathroom, need a loving hand. 6 months ago, 4 out of 5. Very nice place with amazing and friendly staff. Sea view, games, evening entertainment, lots of cats. All that was super cool. 6 months ago, 5 out of 5. Great hotel with nice staff. We could end there, but let's move on. The hotel is quite intimate, located right above the rocky beach. Just cross a very little traveled road. Undoubtedly, the greatest advantage of the hotel is the service, including manager Stavros. Very nice and friendly people who constantly infect visitors with their enthusiasm. The rooms are clean, well kept, and well equipped. Kitchen at a very high level. It is tasty and diverse. Everyone will definitely find something for themselves here. There is a market nearby and the bus stop from which you can go on a trip to Chania and other towns. I highly recommend it. It's definitely worth staying here. 6 months ago, 5 out of 5. I had already been to Greece 8 times in different hotels and on different islands, but this hotel and especially its service exceeded my expectations. All the employees create such a nice atmosphere that it's a pity to leave. We feel like friends among them. The manager of the hotel is an extremely positive, open, and joyful person. There is no better manager than Stavros. The bartender Sasha is also very positive. He remembers what you like to drink, and you can order from him speaking Polish. As for the drinks, we are very pleased with their quality. The food is also very good and varied. Everyone will find something for themselves, and you certainly won't leave hungry. The rooms are clean, regularly cleaned, and towels are changed every 2 to 3 days. There are hair dryers in the room. I highly recommend this hotel. 11 out of 10. The only thing I would change is the hot water kettle in the restaurant. A thermal dispenser would be better. P.S. Reading other people's opinions, I have the impression that they were in another hotel. How can you complain about changing towels every 2 days, or bed linens every 3rd? Do you change them more often at home? 6 months ago, 5 out of 5. An intimate, charming hotel located right by the sea. The service was fantastic, always smiling and greeting guests every day. The hotel manager Stavros was a great man with a great sense of humor who made the company laugh almost every night. The food is very tasty, varied. Everyone should find something for themselves. I highly recommend this place to relax. 7 months ago, 5 out of 5. An intimate and atmospheric hotel. Very nice service, especially Sasha, who is always smiling. Very close to the sea, varied food. Theme nights 3 times a week, spacious rooms, cleaned every day, beautiful garden, good bus connections to Chania every 20 minutes. 7 months ago, 5 out of 5. I had a very good vacation here. It's kid-friendly, quiet area, and just very chill place. Pool is 10 out of 10, and the beach is close. The only thing I could improve is maybe the food, but I would come back. 7 months ago, 5 out of 5. What a stay. We are coming back. Take care, all of you. 8 months ago, 5 out of 5. Wonderful place. Great staff. Perfect holiday. 8 months ago, 5 out of 5. The rooms are very big, clean, and beautifully decorated. The view is so beautiful to the mountain and to the sea. The staff is so friendly and good with customers. The staff team is very friendly, leaving all the customers pleased. The food is very tasty and has a big variety of choices, leaving all the customers satisfied and happy. They have very big variety of food, salads, and sweets. 8 months ago, 5 out of 5. Unbelievable place. Great hospitality, warm people. I'll be back for sure. 8 months ago, 5 out of 5. Maleme Mare is a fantastic family-run beachside hotel. Our family had a wonderful time during our stay in August 2024. The 2 swimming pools and the beach just across the road provided plenty of options for swimming and sunbeds. The poolside bar, table tennis, pool table, air hockey, and diverse evening music offered ample entertainment for quality family time. A big thank you to everyone at Maleme Mare for your friendly hospitality, which made our stay so memorable. 8 months ago, 5 out of 5. Best staff ever. The swimming pools and gardens really well kept. The cleaning staff did a great job, and the all-inclusive buffet had always new and fresh dishes. We wish we could stay longer. 8 months ago, 5 out of 5. I love this place. I will definitely come again. 8 months ago, 5 out of 5. Stavros had such incredible service. You didn't feel unwanted for a single second. Stavros' energy is contagious. He solved everything that was asked about. Sasha was incredible. Funny, kind, and charismatic. He also makes very good drinks. Fun activities, good food, lots of places by the pool. The only thing I would have liked was for the bar to be open for drinks a little earlier than 18:30, if you have to leave, for example. Fun activities, cleaning in the room was good. Wish they vacuumed the floors as they got sandy easily. Otherwise, nothing else I can think of. 8 months ago, 5 out of 5. We booked our trip last minute at a great price, and it turned out to be a wonderful getaway for the both of us, male 25 and female 24. Pros. Food. The food exceeded our expectations, offering better taste than most all-inclusive hotels/resorts we've experienced. The ice cream, however, it was a bit bland, although the banana and strawberry flavors were quite good. Sunbeds. The sunbeds were top-notch, high-end, new, and incredibly comfortable, adding to the overall relaxation. Executive room. We were lucky to get a newly renovated room with AC, and the large balcony with afternoon sun was a fantastic bonus. Staff. The staff were incredibly friendly and welcoming throughout our stay. Mixed impressions. Pools. We mostly used the adult pool, which was nice and relaxing, but it wasn't that big. Also, most of the sunbeds were already taken by 8:30 a.m., so you need to reserve early. The kids' pool looked like a lot of fun for the younger guests. Beach. Just 10 steps away from your hotel, you'll find a stunning, though rocky beach with amazing views. The downside is that the sunbeds cost €5 to use. Activities. They offer free board games and table tennis, but billiards and air hockey cost around €1 to €2. Night shows. Some nights featured entertainment, and the karaoke night was definitely our favorite. Cons. Neighboring hotel. The only drawback was the noisy neighboring hotel, which could be a bit distracting at times. Overall, we had a very pleasant stay at Maleme Mare Hotel and thoroughly enjoyed our 1-week all-inclusive vacation. 8 months ago, 2 out of 5. The room is not clean if you look under the bed. The meat in the restaurant was inedible, especially beef and pork. Otherwise, very nice staff. The bar and pool area work fine. 9 months ago, 5 out of 5. Brilliant. What a lovely hotel. Brilliant staff. Really friendly. We will be definitely going back with the wife. 9 months ago, 4 out of 5. Nice staff, but seemed like they were a bit understaffed. Cleaning of the common areas was a bit too sporadic. 9 months ago, 1 out of 5. I was surprised by the standard of the hotel, which was supposed to be 4-star, and the quality of service. From the very beginning, the impression was unfavorable. The hotel manager is very noisy and does not accept critical comments regarding the room and its equipment. First of all, we were offered a room on the ground floor, which raised our objections from the very beginning. In addition, there is a TV hanging on the mirror in the room, a shower separated by a glass from the toilet, a sink with a shelf for a capsule coffee machine, plus a kettle in the wardrobe, at the expense of space for arranging and hanging clothing, plastic chairs, wash basin in the room, change of towels every 2 days, bed linens every 3 days, and the all-inclusive offer was purchased. It was the first time I encountered this, but the restaurant is too small for the number of hotel guests. Noisy, food terrible, no salads, fruit, white cheese, or even fries. The waiter cleaned the plate while we were still eating. Drinks were only artificial juices. Evening organized for hotel guests were below standard. 9 months ago. 5 out of 5. Beautiful hotel with very nice service. Clean, modern, and spacious rooms. Varied food. Great base for exploring the western part of Crete. I recommend. 9 months ago. 5 out of 5. I had an amazing time at this hotel. The atmosphere was truly magical, the staff was exceptional, and the food was absolutely delightful. I can guarantee I will be coming back and will definitely recommend it to others. Additionally, we organized a bachelorette party here, and the entire staff extended their well wishes, even gifting us champagne for the occasion. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the guest reviews for the last year for Maleme Mare Beachside Hotel. Are you planning a trip to Crete anytime soon? If so, which hotel are you planning to visit? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you again for joining us in this video, and we'll see you all in the next one. Bye!